For today's tutorial, so it's rational equation. So number 1 is 5 over 3x plus 5 is equals to 3 over 3x plus 5 plus 1. And number 2 is negative 12 over x minus 4 plus 7 over x minus 4 is equals to negative 1. Solution for number 1. So first, kopyahin muna natin yung ating rational equation. And then kung mapapansin ninyo, ang kanyang denominator ay may pareho sila ng 3x plus 5. So dito, pwede na tayo kaagad mag-multiply both sides by 3x plus 5. Then, so multiply natin 3x times dito. So, cancel ang 3x. So, maiiwan si 5. Okay? So, equals multiply ulit natin si 3x plus 5 dito. So, 3 times 3x plus 5. So, kakancel pa rin natin yung 3x plus 5. So, maiiwan si 3. Then, multiply ulit natin si 3x plus 5 kay 1. So, that is plus 3x times 1 is 3x. Then, 5 times 1 is positive 5. So, equals, combine like terms tayo. So, pwede na transpose natin. So, magiging 5. Si positive 3, transpose natin magiging negative 3. And si positive 5, transpose natin magiging negative 5. That is equals to, maiiwan si 3x. Then, 5 minus 3 is negative 2 or positive 2. Minus 5 is equals to 3x. 2 minus 5 is negative 3 is equals to 3x. So, to find the value of x, i-divide natin ito ng 3. Kung anong number dito, yun din ang pang-divide natin. Then, pag nag-divide tayo ng 3 dito, magdi-divide din tayo ng 3 sa kabila. So, cancel ang 3. May 1 si x. So, the value of x is negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. So, this is the value of x for number 1. Number 2, negative 12 over x minus 4 plus 7 over x minus 4 equals negative 1. So, solution, kung mapapansin natin dito, pareho sila ng denominator. So, therefore, pwede kaagad tayo mag-plus. Okay? So, ngayon, kukopyahin natin yung negative 12 over, so, x plus 7 is x plus 7 over, copy ang x minus 4 equals negative 1. Then, divide ito. So, negative 12 divided by, copy, x plus 7 over x minus 4 equals negative 1. Okay? So, fraction ito, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-divide ng fraction. So, gagawin natin itong multiplication. So, copy ang negative 12 times. So, dahil nag-times na tayo, ang ating denominator ay magiging numerator at ang ating numerator ay magiging denominator. So, we have x minus 4 over x plus 7 equals negative 1. Then, pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa multiplication. Negative 12 times x is negative 12x. Negative 12 times negative 4 is positive 48. Over, copy, x plus 7 is equals to negative 1. Then, So ito, pwede na natin kaagad ito multiply sa negative 1. So matitira si negative 12x plus 48 is equals to negative 1. X times negative 1 is negative x. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Then combine like terms. Si negative x transpose natin dito sa kabila. At si positive 48 ay transpose natin dito sa kabila. So, magiging negative 12x, si negative x ay magiging positive x equals, matitira si negative 7, then transpose natin si positive 48, so that is negative 48. Then, negative 12x plus x is negative 11x equals negative 7 minus 48 is negative 55. So, to find the value of x, magdi-divide tayo ng negative 11. So, divide din tayo ng negative 11. Cancel ang negative 11, matitira si x. And the value of x is positive 5. So, this is the value of x for number